আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। সামনে এনএসআই, বিসিএস, ৪৩ নং বিসিএস আছে, প্রাথমিক শিক্ষক নিয়োগ পরীক্ষা আছে। বিভিন্ন পরীক্ষায় খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কিছু প্রশ্ন টপিকস নিয়ে বাছাইকৃত ইংরেজি একটা সিরিজ তৈরি করলাম। আপনারা দেখেন, মনোযোগ সহকারে দেখেন, পড়েন। আশা করি আপনাদের জন্য খুবই উপকৃত হবে। আপনারা যারা চ্যানেলে নতুন তারা আমাদের পাশে থাকুন। নোটিফিকেশন আইকনটি ক্লিক করে রাখুন যাতে সামনে যে মডেল টেস্টগুলো আসবে খুব শীঘ্রই আপনারা সেটা খুব সহজে আপনাদের কাছে পেয়ে যান। চলুন শুরু করি। ইংরেজিতে যে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্ন যা চাকরি পাওয়ার জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ সেগুলো আপনার সামনে তুলে ধরছি, চলুন দেখি। বুল মার্কেট। বুল মার্কেট মিনস দ্য শেয়ার প্রাইসেস আর অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে রাইসিং। দি ওয়ার্ল্ড ডিসইন্টারেস্ট মিনস নিউট্রাল। ডিসইন্টারেস্ট মিনস নিউট্রাল। চুজ দ্য কারেক্ট আনসার। Answer হবে let you and him be witness. A reward has been announced for the employee who have worked hard. Answer even when it is sinful has one virtue, it overcomes sloth. Break, repair, wound, heal. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? This line is written by Shelley. He gave up playing football when he got married. গেভ আপ উইথ এ ভিউ টু ইউজ টু এর পরে সবসময় ভালোর সাথে আগে যোগ দেওয়া হয়ে থাকে। উইজডম শব্দ অর্থ হচ্ছে প্রজ্ঞা। উইজডম শব্দ অর্থ হচ্ছে প্রজ্ঞা। সাকসেসিভ ডিসকাউন্ট অফ 20% এবং 15% আর ইকুয়াল টু সিঙ্গেল ডিসকাউন্ট অফ 32%. চুজ দ্য ওয়ার্ড অফ ফ্রেজ দ্যাট ইজ মোস্ট নিয়ারলি সিমিলার টু অর অপোজিট ইন দ্য মিনিং গিভেন ইন দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন। ব্রোসার। অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে পামলেট। এ বুল মার্কেট মিনস হচ্ছে রেসিং। Choose the wrong sentence. His failure resulted for lack of attention. Only those who are not serious to their success work by feats and stars. Neither Rini or nor Simi is qualified for the job. Choose the correct sentence. Answer: he was hanged for murder. He was hanged for murder. The antonym for reclaimant, complaint. A synonym for resentment is anger. The captain left the boat because it turned over. Predicted relates to the treatment of children. Who is the most famous statistics in the English literature? Jonathan Swift. Which of the following sentence is correct? The shirt which he bought is blue in color. Reason is the highest facility on human by the creator. Best word. The Nile is the longest river in Africa. What is the meaning of the word Sukatil? Answer is Piliaf. The right word to fill in the gap of the following sentence. Give her a telephone number to ring. She gets lost. In case. Submissive, disobedient, observe, defy. The son walks as if he were lame. অবশ্যই এসিবি পরে ফার্স্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স হবে। দি ওয়ার্ড প্রেসিডেন্স মিনস প্রিয়রিটি। দি লাস্ট ওয়ার্ড অফ দ্য প্রভাব হ্যান্ডসাম ইজ দ্যাট হ্যান্ডসাম ডাজ। Two men starting the same point walk in opposite direction for 4 meters, turn left and walk another 3 meters. Which is the distance between them? 10 meters. So the set of words is blank. A statement is an brilliant comparison. It does not compare this explicit but suggests likeness between them or what. Fill in the blanks. He is assured me of safety. The speaker failed to make the audience to him patentable. Which of the following is the best form of pronoun in the above sentence? Listen. To put the cart before the horse. To reserve the natural order of things. As the waited Rohim argued against war, while his brother has disgusting differs of pollutions. The French refers to the French people. The France refers to French people. Eager, indifferent, enthusiast, half-hearted. The correct spelling is Humorous. Humorous. Bill of fare. Bill of fare is a list of dishes and restaurant. Bill of fare is a list of dishes and restaurants. Something which is obnoxious means that is very unpleasant. This sentence with correct pronunciation Maria Maisten is on leave today. Maria Maisten is on leave today. Who is of the following sentence is correct? I forbade him to go. One should be careful about one's duty. ওয়ানের প্রোনাউন হিসেবে ওয়ান সিলেক্ট হইতে হবে কেশিয়ার সিলোফ্রেটি ইজ এ প্লে বাই জিবি শো ওয়াহিকল রক্ষা অর্থে প্রবর্তে প্রচনকে সাপও মারে লাঠিও না ভাঙে who is living in poverty the poet had to put up with a great deal of sufferings. What is the meaning of a white elephant? A very costly or troublesome positions. খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট একটা প্রশ্ন লাপত্তা লা আসে আরবিতে এটা আরবি ভাষা থেকে এটা ভুল করে চলে আসছে রাজমাটাস মিনস এ নয়েজি অ্যাক্টিভিটিস Brewing was the composer of any of the following poems Adderall, Dill, Straw. The word ecological is related to environment. The influence of the technology revolutions in accelerating, intensifying the concentration all over in the according to the conditions of my scholarship after finishing my degree answer the university will employ me trees have caste of their leaves the antonym of inimal answers friendly who wrote the plays William Shakespeare the Tempest and Midsummer এটা অবশ্যই William Shakespeare in a part of the speech writing breaks the theme it is called digressions select the pair the best express relationship similar to the expressed to original pair separated so semester seizures equivocation means also two country things at the same statement one of the four sentences given in the question is grammatical wrong. The alternative is your answer also laziness is determination for success. Laziness is determinant for success. I have never seen such a slow course like you. This small work has taken you 3 full months. What does the item slow course means? A very lazy person. One who only forwards in regarding service, for there is not generally light society which is following represented character of the person maintained here. Officials. I have a dream that one day this nation will live out of the true meaning of its creed that all means are created equal. What is the meaning of the word equivocism? Inoffensive expressions. Some writers snark visions of course of time answer into Shine would never have taken the job if he had known. If he had known what great demand it would make in his time. Climate is a state of the environment. Existentialism এটা হচ্ছে একটি দার্শনিক মতবিদ্যা I cannot afford to pay such high prices. The electricity what Kabli Khan is a verse by Coleridge. Trying untreatedly, we are able to have project approved against systems operation into the valley of death. Into the valley of death, road of 600. A person whose head is and the cloud is a daydreamer. The wood shrug indicating doubt or indifference is associated with shoulders. Pick the word that is synonymous with authority. The poet laureate is the court poet of England. Dog dates mean as a hot weather. What is the meaning of the word sequence? To follow. Who is the following sentence is correct? Why have you done this? Why have you done this? Who is which are regular reflexive pronoun. Correct sentence. I asked Javed if he had passed. Tell me who told you that. The word imbibe means to drink. In each of the following questions choose the word opposite in meaning in given word. Who is the author of For Whom the Bell Tolls? In Ernest Hemingway. My uncle has three sons, all of whom work the same office. 30%, 10% of 10, 10% is 13. There is no alternative of training. Two, celebrated the Arab Spring Bangladesh Television organized a special function. I know him, he is known to me. I know him, he is known to me. Choose the correct phrase that best fill in the blanks respect to complete sentence. All of the people at the name conference is mathematics teacher. What is the antonym of famous? Obscure. We look forward to receiving a response for you. Tiger, zoology, Mars, astronomy. Something that is fresh is something in fairly good condition. What is the antonym of core? Orderly. ধন্যবাদ সকলকে। গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কিছু প্রশ্ন, ইংলিশ প্রশ্ন নিয়ে আলোচনা করলাম আপনাদের সামনে। আপনারা সবাই সাথে থাকুন, পাশে থাকুন, ইনশাল্লাহ আপনাদের জন্য ভালো কিছু টপিকস নিয়ে আসবো, খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ টপিকস। ধন্যবাদ সকলকে, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।